Have you ever heard of the horse stance? It's an ancient exercise, a powerful pose that can transform your body and mind. It's about digging deep, finding your inner strength, and building resilience that carries over into every aspect of your life. Think of a warrior, grounded and ready for anything. That's the power of the horse stance. The horse stance, or meibu in Chinese, is more than just a physical exercise. It's a practice in mindfulness, a way to challenge your limits and push past your perceived boundaries. You might be thinking it sounds too simple, too easy. But trust me, holding this stance, feeling your muscles engage, and focusing your mind is a true test of strength and endurance. And the best part, you don't need any fancy equipment or a gym membership. All you need is your body and the willingness to embrace the challenge. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or just starting your fitness journey, the horse stance is a valuable tool to add to your arsenal. Are you ready to unleash your inner warrior? Let's dive in. For centuries, the horse stance has been a cornerstone of martial arts training, from the Shaolin temples of China to the dojos of Japan. This stance, known for its simplicity and effectiveness, has transcended cultural boundaries and become a universal symbol of martial arts discipline. It's a fundamental building block for martial arts disciplines like Kung Fu, Karate, and Taekwondo. The horse stance is often the first position taught to beginners, laying the groundwork for more advanced techniques. But why is it so important? What makes this stance so revered across different martial arts traditions? Imagine a martial artist, rooted to the ground like an ancient tree, unshakable and ready to strike with lightning speed. The horse stance provides a solid foundation, enabling swift and powerful movements. That's the power cultivated through the horse stance. It allows for explosive energy and precise control, essential for both defense and offense. It's about building a foundation of strength and stability, creating a center of gravity that's nearly impossible to break. This stability is crucial for executing complex maneuvers and maintaining balance. This stance is not just about physical power, it's about developing a deep connection between mind and body. Through consistent practice, martial artists learn to synchronize their breath with their movements. Every muscle works in unison, demanding focus and control. The mental discipline required to maintain the horse stance translates into other areas of life, fostering resilience and perseverance. This mental discipline, this unwavering concentration, is what elevates martial arts beyond simple fighting techniques and into the realm of true mastery. It's a journey of self-discovery and personal growth. By practicing the horse stance, you're tapping into this legacy of strength and discipline. You're embracing a tradition that has been passed down through generations. You're connecting with generations of warriors who have honed their bodies and minds through this very same practice. It's a testament to the enduring power of martial arts. It's a powerful feeling, knowing that you're part of something bigger than yourself. The horse stance is more than just a position. It's a symbol of unity, strength, and the relentless pursuit of excellence. Let's get down to the nitty-gritty of building strength and stability. What are the physical benefits of incorporating the horse stance into your routine? This ancient martial arts posture is more than just a static pose. Well, get ready to feel the burn, because this stance is a full-body workout disguised as a simple posture. It challenges your muscles in ways you might not expect. First and foremost, get ready for stronger legs. The horse stance targets multiple muscle groups simultaneously. Holding the horse stance is like a supercharged isometric hold for your quads, hamstrings, and calves. It's a powerhouse move for your lower body. It's like doing a wall sit that simultaneously strengthens your inner thighs and glutes. This dual action makes it incredibly efficient. You'll notice increased endurance and power in your lower body, making everyday activities like climbing stairs or running errands feel like a breeze. Your legs will thank you. But it's not just about leg day gains. The benefits extend beyond just your legs. The horse stance is a secret weapon for core strength. It engages your entire midsection. Holding this pose requires you to engage your core muscles, those deep stabilizing muscles that support your spine and improve your posture. This engagement is crucial for overall stability. A strong core is the foundation for all movement, from bending down to pick up a drop pen to performing complex athletic maneuvers. It enhances your functional fitness. And let's not forget about balance. The horse stance is excellent for improving your equilibrium. Maintaining a steady horse stance requires focus and coordination. This mental aspect is just as important as the physical. Regular practice will sharpen your proprioception, your body's awareness of its position in space. This heightened awareness is beneficial in many daily activities. This translates into better balance in all aspects of your life, whether you're navigating a crowded street or simply standing on one leg to tie your shoe. The horse stance is a versatile and powerful addition to any fitness routine. While the physical benefits of the horse stance are undeniable, the mental and emotional perks are equally transformative. This ancient practice is not just about building strength, it's about building character. This seemingly simple stance is a powerful tool for cultivating focus, discipline, and resilience. It challenges both the body and the mind, pushing you to new limits. Have you ever noticed how your mind wanders when you're trying to concentrate? We've all been there. The horse stance can help you train your mind to stay present. The horse stance acts as a mindfulness anchor, drawing your attention to the present moment. It's a practice that brings you back to your center. As you hold the pose, you become acutely aware of your breath, feeling each inhale and exhale, the sensations in your body, the tension in your muscles, and the relaxation that follows, and the thoughts flitting through your mind. This practice helps you observe without getting caught up in them. This heightened awareness allows you to observe these thoughts and feelings without judgment, fostering a sense of inner peace. Building a sense of inner peace and calm. It's a sanctuary you can return to anytime. Discipline is another key benefit. It's about more than just physical endurance. Holding the horse stance, especially as your muscles start to fatigue, requires mental fortitude. It's a test of your willpower. It's about pushing past discomfort and resisting the urge to quit. This builds a mental toughness that is invaluable. This mental toughness spills over into other areas of your life, making you more resilient in the face of challenges, helping you stay committed to your goals, no matter how big or small they are. Whether it's sticking to a workout routine, finishing a challenging project, or maintaining focus at work, or simply saying no to that extra slice of cake, it's about making choices that align with your goals. And don't underestimate the power of resilience. It's a skill that can be developed and strengthened. The horse stance teaches you to embrace discomfort and overcome challenges. It's a practice that builds inner strength. It's a reminder that you are stronger than you think, both physically and mentally. This realization is empowering. This newfound resilience equips you to face life's inevitable obstacles with courage and determination. It's a journey of self-discovery and growth. All right, let's break it down step by step. First, stand with your feet shoulder-width apart. Now, slowly bend your knees as if you're sitting back into a chair. Keep your back straight and your core engaged. Hold this position and breathe deeply. Remember, it's important to maintain your form throughout. Practice regularly, and you'll see improvements in your strength and stability. Keep it up. The horse stance, a fundamental position in martial arts, has numerous real-world applications. It enhances stability and balance, which are crucial in everyday activities. Whether you're lifting heavy objects or simply walking on uneven surfaces, the strength and balance gained from practicing the horse stance can make a significant difference. Plus, it can also improve your posture, reducing the risk of back pain and other related issues. So, incorporating the horse stance into your routine can truly benefit your daily life in many ways. Now let's talk about making the horse stance a daily habit. Consistency is key when it comes to reaping the benefits of this exercise. Start by setting aside just a few minutes each day to practice. You can do it while watching TV, during a break at work, or even as part of your morning routine. Gradually increase the duration as you become more comfortable. Remember, the goal is to make it a regular part of your day. With time and dedication, you'll start to notice improvements in your strength, balance, and overall well-being. Perfecting your form is essential to maximize the benefits of the horse stance. Begin by standing with your feet shoulder-width apart, toes pointing forward. Bend your knees and lower your hips as if you're sitting in an invisible chair. Keep your back straight and your chest up. Your thighs should be parallel to the ground. Hold this position, focusing on maintaining proper alignment and breathing steadily. If you feel any discomfort, adjust your stance slightly. Practicing in front of a mirror can help you monitor your form and make necessary corrections. The more precise your form, the more effective your practice will be. The horse stance is more than just an exercise. It's a transformative practice that can enhance various aspects of your life. By building strength, improving balance, and promoting mental focus, it can help you tackle daily challenges with greater ease and confidence. Over time, you'll find yourself moving with more grace and stability. Plus, the discipline and patience required to master the horse stance can translate into other areas of your life, fostering a sense of resilience and determination. So, embrace the horse stance and watch as it transforms not just your body, but your entire outlook on life. If you found this helpful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to our channel. And be sure to check out our other videos and playlists for more insightful contents. See you soon.